2010 Blizzard. This is the snow taxi. We're live. Look at this, you guys. Look at outside. We're about to, this is the graveyard. This is how serious it is. All right. It looks like a winter scene or something.
Fucking big truck is series, nigga. We out here. The tow truck is stuck. Should I help this motherfucker? I gotta help like 100 motherfuckers, man. I'm on my rescue shit, man.
Help
Sure, I done hell sure she done bust that ass,
you're
motherfucker.
gonna just put me on front street
Bust
like
that
this.
ass.
Paper
I know
girl.
booty hurt.
I'm paper
but
girl.
I am
See, that's
paper
me.
girl popping.
I bust my ass. The tow truck is
She
stuck.
done ran
You
into
gonna help
realest
people?
J. Flatbush niggas, you know we give it up anywhere, nigga. Miami,
You're not gonna help the tow truck?
Vegas,
You gonna just
DC, ATL.
you gonna roll by?
Whatever.
Uh-oh.
Should I help that nigga?
Help him. Help
That shit,
him.
this nigga stuck, man. I can't help that nigga.
Uh-oh.
I can tell him to help me and just stop so I can drive by.
Roll the window down. That's not.
Yo, tell that nigga. Damn, he got something to tie me to him. You got a chain or some shit.
That was nice. See, Flatbush show love. The real G show love. Damn,
man.
he don't give
What's
a
that
fuck.
shit? Front wheel drive?
Yo.
Put that shit in 4 low, man.
Yo, he got the ill hat right there.
Yo, put that shit in 4 low, nigga. 4 low. Alright, yo, tell him stop so I could drive by.
Oh shit, that's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Nigga talking about he got no chain and shit. Fuck out of here.
Yo.
Alright, show her the snow. I'm about to drive over my shit.
This is not right.
Show them the snow. I'm about to drive over this motherfucking snow.
This is weird.
See that nigga got a plow on his shit. Watch this shit. I'm about to drive over this shit. He mad at me right now. Nigga mad at me right now.
This is not the vlog. This is
That nigga mad at me right now.
This is gonna be a gangster vlog. They're gonna be like, yo, she caught this for the sake of a vlog. I put my apple outside for that quick shot. See, this is serious business here. How bad it is, y'all. Look, it's bad out here. This man looking stressed out by the car wash. It's people out here talking about wigs. They can get there on time. Oh my gosh, this is scandalous. People are probably like, you can't even see anything. So where's your girlfriend?
All niggas gonna be crazy. They see me come back through that shit. They ain't gonna believe they motherfucking eyes. I swear to
The
God.
bus is stuck. McDonald's is closed. This is a 24-hour McDonald's is closed. The bus is stuck. Look at this. This is serious. How they just left the bus with the lights on and everything. What was there? What was there?
Man, you wild.
No.
You supposed to catch that shit.
What was I supposed to catch?
The shit.
Sac passe. You have
We're in blizzard conditions together. It's a good thing, all right? As long as you're nice and warm. I've got you covered. I got the blanket. Here's Luther Vandross. Right here on 107.5 WBLS.
sac passe. I got captured in the snow. Do you see? Look. Being dug out. People. Do you see? It's bad out here. And he's getting this too. This is crazy. I can't wait to go home and edit. So now let's get back to why. See, look, you guys, the gas station is like snowed in. Station. That's looking at the car and they wondering what's going on in the snow. This is interesting. I was going someplace, but I just totally Ambulances are stuck in the street. Yo, look at this snow, you. Look at the freaking. You see this? This is getting stuck in the car. This is normally a block where you can just turn because it's snowing.
Hey girl, why are you taking my picture?
Oh, because I'm vlogging. I've been outside since last night. Out of a train station, we were trapped. Like, it was crazy. We had to go through a manhole. Like, last night I went on an adventure. Okay. Ooh, please post for me. You see this shit? It's fucking yellow tape in the fucking snow. Guys, it's a blizzard out here. Share this with me. You see, I'm walking through tape. There's cars. This is how serious it is. Let's see what's going on. Pine Road. Up the road. This is Brooklyn, you guys. See what the snow did to us? We walk through this and see what's going on out this motherfucker. They got 18-wheelers stuck in the snow. Man. See how crazy it is out here? This is the ill snow. It's blizzard. I forecasted the blizzard tree before I said it, you guys out here, but I'm just... You see this? This is Brooklyn 2010. Uh-oh. You see cars are backing out.
Rockaway.
It's real out this bitch. Listen.
That nigga right there, yo.
You're gonna be like, where was
Flashing
you
that
at?
money.
Hold on, wait one second.
Let me
I
see
gotta
we
get
got
this
it
in
on
the
deck,
camera.
baby.
Wait, hold on. This is Paper Girl live in the snow at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning with people in the hut.
We stay
Taking pictures with
Yeah,
Buddy
of
and
course.
Snowman. What is
Yeah,
this?
we
Y'all
stay.
is
No, you gotta
wildin'.
catch the hundreds, baby.
I don't want
Gotta
It's
catch
right
them
there,
hundreds,
boo.
baby. The hundreds stay on deck, baby. Hundreds on deck, baby. Keep counting them, baby.
And
Keep
I
counting
saw
them
them
behind
from
and
down the
behind,
block up there.
baby. What you do, baby? What you do,
Me.
baby? I love you, baby.
You
know what I'm
is
saying,
wild.
baby?
Look at the snowman.
Huh? We want the snowman.
I wanna
We want
see
snowman.
it.
We
See,
want
there's
this.
the
Well, hold on,
snowman.
though,
Wait,
baby.
there go the snowman. Y'all.
We love the snowman, but we love money on deck. You feel me? Cause that's what we do. We MOD, babe. You feel me? You feel me, homie? It's snowing out here. Yo, today I heard on the radio, 50 charging niggas $100 to shovel their snow. What the fuck 50 doing charging niggas $100 to shovel their snow? Oh, that must have been some charity shit. But yo, me, ma, I don't charge
Taking
niggas
pictures
nothing,
of the
ma.
snowman. Look,
I don't charge.
I
I don't charge. I get some money. Get some money, ma.
Can I see
Get
the
some money,
snowman,
babe.
boo, please?
Yeah, we gonna see the snowman.
Yes.
Damn, you
please.
feel
I
that?
wanna-
You feel
yes,
that
I
shit?
would
That
like
shit
to
feel
see.
solid,
Can I
don't
please
it?
see this?
That feel
I
solid.
came to see the
Too solid.
snowman. I
Yeah.
wanted to show y'all. It's right in front of the thing, you guys.
Yeah,
Look at the
snowman
scene.
for her. You see
Look
the
at the
snowman.
scene. You see
the snowman.
It's real out
the
here.
scene. It's real. Franklin Ave. We stand up bigger than everything you already know. We got
Y'all is
money
wildin'.
all day,
Y'all
every
wildin'.
day.
Yeah, you
And you
wildin'.
know, we keeps money. We keeps money. We keeps money, babe. You know, I'm out here with this little pretty thing. You know what I'm saying? To my nigga Ty, you already know. I'm the raw dot. Everybody know the baby face killer. You know who I be. They gonna love this baby
Y'all
face
is
when they see it.
Y'all is
You know what I'm
wildin' in the
saying?
snow right now.
You know what I'm saying?
I can't. Well, the only reason why I ran into y'all, I'm about to cut it off, is because